Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're in May. The flowers are blooming beautifully. These here I had purchased the tubers and the plants were already blooming from a greenhouse, so we're going to be working some with these. I have these beautiful flowers here that were cut, and we're going to be doing some different arrangements here. My vases are all cleaned. I use a water and bleach solution to clean my vases out. That helps your flowers to last longer. You need a sharp pair of pruning shears, which I will have a link for these down in the description. This is the brand that I use, and I have used these for years for my cut flowers. You're going to need some masking tape depending on what type of container that you pick. You're going to want your fresh water. If you have your plant food, you're going to want to use that. So the first one that we're going to do, we're going to use this square vase here. And sometimes your flowers will try and float on you. So a way to stop that from happening is just take some Scotch tape, take it across, and we're going to make like little blocks. You can also use masking tape for this, but this here is clear, so I'm using this tape here. Oops. There we go. Get my water put in here. You can see here what it looks like. I have my little blocks here. You can put your water in first. I didn't want to get the tape wet. And you can put all different kinds of like the glass beads in if you choose to. So it's kind of your choice if you want to put something in the bottom of your container. Pick these beautiful dahlias here, and we have some different flags, and we have peonies, we have statice, ranunculus, we have our celosia, all different kinds of things in here that we're going to be playing with. And these were treated. You can see the stem here. I have a way that I treat my dahlias. Dahlias can try and float on you, so the tape is going to help hold these in. You want to take off any leaves that are going to be under the water because we don't want any issues with bacteria. This one here is a little tighter. Just put in here. You got to kind of work with these because dahlias like to try and float on you. So it's going to take a little working with them to get them exactly where you want them to be. Work with this one here just a little bit more here. I have a specific spot I want this one to stay at. There we go. Okay. And you got to work with them some. Take some irises here. You always want to cut your stems on a 45-degree angle. That allows for the water to take up. Any stems that have anything on them that's a little spent, go ahead and cut that off. Some in the center. Looks like the sun's going out for a little bit. You want to remove any flower buds that are going to be underwater because we don't want any kind of bacteria growing. We're going to grab some of our status here. Just start filling in some through here. Oops, pick that up then. And your status is a filler. So it's kind of filling in all around through here. Some status right in the center. And we're going to grab some other flowers here. Some more of these. And I'm going in between the blocks that I created with the tape. Whoops, that one's going to be underwater. That has to come off. This is coming together here. Another one of these here. That's open now. Go. And we're going to put in some more pinks here. our status. This is a rose-colored status here. Fill in here. You want to make sure that all your stems are getting down in the water. I have some beautiful celosia here. I'm going to put some of this in here. And there we go. We have a beautiful arrangement. So this theme here was pinks, yellows, and purples. And we used flags, status, crested celosia, and we used dahlias. You want to make sure that all of your stems are in the water, which all of ours are here. So I hope you enjoyed this video of how to put a flower arrangement together. You can check out the playlist I have on my channel for how to get free bouquets and arrangements from flowers that you're growing in your own yard. Thank you for tuning in. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.